Okay. Hello, guys. Good morning. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Very good morning. So, yes, yesterday we learned about the graph. Everyone turn on your camera so that we can start the class. Quickly turn on the camera. David, Abraham, Miraculin, Nayanthara, good. David, turn on the camera. Miraculin, turn on the camera. So, yesterday we learned about the graph, and I am sure that you guys did the graph part. Like you did the mark part, and Abraham did it, and it was correct. So I saw Abraham copy. So it was correct. Now today what we're gonna learn? Today we will learn how to make a graph. Now this is one of the important things that we have to know. Okay, so everyone know
Sir,
how to locate points on the graph? Yes, Miracle.
I was just confused. 0, 6, like 6, 0. So where should I locate like the 0 point?
If the 6 comma 0 is there, so first x-axis is gonna be 6.
Yeah,
Like whatever the number which is first is written, it is always x. It is
yeah,
always what? It is x.
X.
So first you have to go to the x axis, and in x-axis you have to find 6. So put your pen there. Now 0 is there. So y-axis is 0. So it means that you don't have to move up, or you don't have to move. You don't have to move down. So on 6 only. So on x-axis, wherever 6 is written, that will be the 6 comma 0. Got it? Okay. David, any
If
problem?
there is if there is 0, 6, how should I do that?
Now, if it is 0 comma 6, for example, if it is 0 comma 6, so on x-axis it's 0. That is correct. On x-axis it's 0. Then you have to go to the y-axis. So on x-axis, like 0 comma 0 is the origin for the x-axis. So just go to the origin point where the plus is forming. No, go that point, then go to the y-axis. And when you will go to the y-axis, you will find it out that it is 0 comma 6. So it's gonna be look like this. Like here, this will be the 0 comma 6. Why? Because x is 0 and y is 6. Got it? Obed, are you with me? David, Abraham, understood? Say yes or no. Abraham got it?
So I think I disconnected. I just joined some time ago.
Yeah. So did you understand this thing, this concept? No.
Okay, can you like say it again?
See, if 0 comma 6 is there, so first, whatever the first is written, it is x, and the second one is y. Got it? So on x it's 0, on y it's 6. So x, like this is the x-axis, so on x is 0, and then y is 6. So I went to this point, it becomes 0 comma 6. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Now, now put a heading quickly. Put a heading quickly. Mm, uh, linear equation. Linear equation. Write it down. Linear equation. Linear equation in on graph. On linear equation on graph. Now, guys, you have to pay attention because it's an important thing, okay, that we are going to discuss like. Now, listen. So, for example, if there is a like x plus y is equals to 2, and you guys have to make the graph. How will you make the graph? We'll check it out. What is the written? X plus y is equals to 2. Yes or no? Now, how will you solve this? You have to take x to the LHS, and rest everything will go to the RHS side. I'm repeating again. When this equation is given, x plus y is equals to 2, in this you have to keep x at LHS, and the rest everything will go to the y. Are you getting this, Abraham? No, you didn't get it. Huh? So, Obed, how will you do that?
Yeah, I
Like
know this.
x.
I understood. I understood, sir.
Okay.
I've done
Yeah.
this many times.
Okay. So, Obed, the x will be on LHS, and rest everything will go to the RHS side. So, what it will become? It will become x is equals to 2 minus y. Say yes or no. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Miracle,
Yes, sir.
Nayantara, you understood? Yes. Now you guys have to make a box like this. 1, 2, and then one more 3. Write x1 and then 1. Till here, any problem? Till here, any problem, guys? Yes or no? Now, I'm repeating one more time what I did just now. This is the equation. I keep x at LHS side, rest everything will go to the RHS side. So x is on my LHS and the y will be -1. Because plus y is there, it will go to the other side of the equation to become -1. Okay. Now, you have to assume any value of y. You can assume any value of y. Any value. So, for example, in the first case, I will assume 0. You can assume any value of y. So, Obed, if you will put y value as 0, what will you get x? The x value will be 2 because 2 minus 0 is 2. Nayantara, Miracle, Abraham, David got it? Now, Nayantara, any other value of y that you want to assume? Any value, Nayantara.
If x is 4, what would y
No,
be?
no. You have to assume any value of y. Don't care about x. Like.
Okay. 3.
So if you will take y as 3, so instead of y, you will write 3. Okay. Then what is the value of x in this case? -1. Got it? So when Nayantara assumed y value as 3, so she got x value as -1. Obed, now take any value of y. Assume any value of y. We have to mute.
4.
So if Obed takes the value of y as 4, so what will be the value of x in this case?
-2.
Very good. So when Obed takes y value as 4, though he got -2. Okay, till here any problem? Anybody has any problem? Please ask me. I will resolve this again. Miracle has doubt? Nayantara,
Yeah.
you have doubt? Yes, Miracle.
Like the 4 or like the number which we are putting in y, we can put any number.
Any number. Assume any number. -2, -4, minus infinity, -100, -1000, any number. -100 or 1000 or it's okay. Okay, so you can put any number. Okay. Now, so till here we got it like this. X is equals to 2 minus. Now listen, guys. Everyone, please pay attention. Please pay attention. This is very important. Okay. Now you have to make a graph. So I am making a graph for you guys.
Sir, your audio, I'm not, it's like very unclear.
Is it with everyone? Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Obed, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you, sir.
Okay. Very good. So now I'm making a graph. I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and then 1. So we got this. Okay. Now this is the x-axis that we learned yesterday. This is x. This is -x. This is y. And this is -1. Till here, any problem, guys? Nayantara has doubt. Abraham has any doubt? David, Obed, you have any doubt regarding this?
No.
No. Now, Obed, what is the first point? The first point is 2 comma 0. So where you will put 2 comma 0?
You can
So
put it
first,
in
yeah.
like
So first you have to go to the x-axis because the x is 2, no? The x is 2. So you have to go to the x-axis. And then when you will go to the x-axis, like here, then you have to mark this point. Why? Because y is 0. So you are not going up. Are you getting this?
that's okay. 0 on the graph.
Like this is the 0 part.
Where?
This is 0. The plus sign is 0.
Uh,
The plus, the joint is 0.
okay. I hear you.
Okay. Got it? Nayantara, now where is the next point? Where is the next point? Where you will put the next point? Like first is -1, no? -1 is there. So first you have to go to the -1. So this is x and this is -1. On x you go to -1 and then till 3. So y is 3. So I got this point. It's gonna be look like this. Got it? Like Obed, Miracle, Abraham got it? Say yes or no. Now next one is -2 comma 4. So x is -2 and then is y is 4. So it's gonna be look like -2 comma 4. Obed, you got it? Miraculous? Now we got 3 points here. From the 3 points, you have to pass a line. You have to pass the line like this. Hence, this line represents this equation. What is the equation? X plus y. Everyone got this? Say yes or no. Obed, David, Agatha, you are a little bit early, beta.
No. Sorry,
What?
some internet problem.
Okay. Yes, Obed.
Okay. Like, can you explain it one time?
You want me to explain this again? So you got the points. You know how to locate the points, huh?
Yes.
So I also located the point here, here, and here by this information, like 2 comma 0, -1 comma 3, and -2 comma 4. Every time first you have to go to the x-axis. Like x-axis is given -2. I went to the -2 on x-axis and then 4. This is 4. So this is the point where it is found. Then I simply took a scale and I make a straight line. This is the line. This line represents this equation.
Oh. Okay. Yes, I understood.
Got it? Abraham, are you with me? Say yes or no. Turn on your camera, please. David, got it? Everyone done? Shall I give another equation you guys have to make? Okay.
Should we do this in the graph?
Sorry?
Should we do this in the graph?
Yeah. Right now, you can make in a copy, but proper scale signs, like proper measurement and everything is needed. Right now, you can do in copy. And when I will give the homework, try to make it in the graph.
I have a graph. I'm making the
You
graph.
have graph,
Yeah.
but right now when you are doing, just do in copy because it's okay. Don't waste the time. Okay. Now I will give one more equation. You guys try to do this. Do this, guys.
So just the
Quickly do
question
this.
for a random question.
Sorry. Yes, Abraham.
We need a graph book.
Right now, just do in your
So which
copy.
equation?
Right now, just do in your copy. This is the question, beta.
So
Okay.
copy of what, sir? Of our notes or of our
Normal copy. Normal notebook. Normal notebook where you are writing the notes, na?
No,
Just
that's
do
like
in that.
x minus 2y equals 2. But
book? Can I use
how
my
can we make like a, how can we mark
What?
it on the graph?
So can I use my graph book? So I have it with me at the moment.
Yeah. Where is your notes copy? Just give me a second, Obit. Where is your notes copy, beta?
So can you say?
I'm saying, where is your notes copy?
My notes copy, sir, is in a notebook, sir.
In a notebook. Yeah, that's only. In that only you have to make this graph.
Okay, sir. I was asking, sir, if I can do it in my graph book, sir, because I have it at the moment.
Where will you do this calculation part? How will you make the box and all?
So on the other page of the graph book, sir, it gives space for that.
Okay, then solve it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Obit. Now what are you saying?
So this is like it's x wait, it's x plus y equals 2, right?
No, not this equation. The equation is x minus 2y is equals to minus 1. This is the
So how can you mark like x minus 2y? Oh, this is the other question.
This is another question, and you have to first find out the points, like what we did in the previous type. No, first keep the x on y axis, and rest everything will go to the x axis like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to solve this. I'm here to help. Yes, Miracle, where you get stuck, beta?
So have you written the question down? I can't see it.
Yeah, just give me a second. Beta. Why is this? Yeah, I'm writing x minus 2y is equals to minus 1. This is the equation. Now you guys have to make the graph. Yes. Who has doubt, beta? Any question, anywhere if you get stuck, just ask. Yes, Miracle. Where you get stuck, beta?
So I changed all the things to LHS. After that, I'm a little bit stuck.
So you did how you did it? Just tell me. Just everyone do it. How you did it?
Yeah, like I x equals to 2y minus 2.
Minus 2 plus 2.
Yeah,
Like this.
I did that. Minus 2
Now,
plus 2.
yeah. Now you have to assume the value of y. Any value of y you can assume. Assume it.
7.
I mean, start like it is correct. You can take 7 also, but try to assume it from near zero value, like 0, 1, 2,
Okay.
3, or 0, -1, -2, like that. So that it's the
One
graph will be short. Yeah,
one y.
only one. Like if you're taking y value as 1. Okay. So what will be the value of x in this? So x is equals to -2 plus,
Can you make y 2?
yeah, you can take. Okay. So it will become x is equals to -2 plus 2. So x is equals to 0. So when you assume the value of y as 1, you will get x value as 0. Got it? Yes or no?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Now take another value of y. Nayantara, you got the point? So you made the graph also? Nayantara.
Sorry, sir.
So you made the graph?
Yeah.
Did you make the graph?
I didn't make the graph, but I figured how to do it.
So are you making it right now?
Yeah.
Quickly make it and you have to show me on the camera so that I can check that is it correct or not.
Yeah.
Okay? Quickly do it. I will check your graph on the camera, everyone.
So I got answer as x equal to.
When you got x is equal to 2, what is the value of y?
Y is equals to.
When you put y as 2, you get x is also 2. So that is correct. So you got y as
I
2.
can't make the graph right now. I'm actually traveling and I'm in another house. And I didn't bring my scale.
Okay, also. Try to bring it now by tomorrow, if possible, from the shop.
So like we took the value of y as 1. So -2 plus y, it will become 1 now.
See, you took value of y as 1. So 2 into 1 it will become, na? Like
Oh,
the y
okay,
is written,
okay.
instead of y, you just writing the 1.
Okay.
So 2 into 1 is 2. So -2 plus 2 is 0. Any other value? Abraham will tell me the other value. Abraham, third value, can you tell me?
What value can I tell you so far?
We are missing one value. Can you tell me the one value? Any value?
So x is y is equal to 2.
And we got that. Y is equal to 2. X is also equal to 2. Any other values?
So then y can equal to 6. Say 3. 3 twos are 6.
3. Then
6,
what is the value of X?
6 minus 2 is 6 minus 2 is 4.
4. So you got X as 4. Correct. Correct. Now I will give chance to David. David, mark this on the graph. You have pencil right now in front of you. Use this. Just put a dot there. Just put the dot. 0, 1 is here, no? So put a dot. Next point, Agatha. Agatha, 2, 2. Agatha said something. Agatha, what is that? Let me understand.
The value that I found.
0, 1. Correct. Correct. Now, Agatha, mark the second one. 2, 2. David, where is yours?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I marked it. Sir.
No, it's wrong, David. You see, the X is 0 and Y is 1.
Sir, I got
You
this.
did ulta. Yeah, Nayantara, mark the next one. This one. Mark this one on the board quickly. David and Agatha and Nayantara, can you use red pen for the marking? Can you use red pen? Erase this and use the red pen. I will erase it. Use that pen so that I can distinguish it. Quickly do it, guys. We are running out of time. Yes, this is 4 comma 3. Correct. Now you guys can see these three lines. Every time, remember this thing. Graph of the linear equation is always straight line. Repeat after me. It is always straight line. So the points which you are getting, if they are not in straight line, then it means that you did something wrong. If they are in a straight line, then it means that you did correct. So this is the answer. This is the what equation is this? This equation is x minus 2y is equals to minus. Everyone got this? Say yes or no. Any doubt right
So
now?
like where is the 2 comma 2 point?
Here,
Oh yeah, yeah.
2, like on x is 2 and y axis is 2. Where they are meeting here. This is the topic. Agatha, Abraham, David, Nayantara, any doubt? Ask me.
No, sir.
Not at all. Okay, now we'll do one more time. One more time.
So I have a question.
Now, please, beta.
So,
Yes.
normally do we take x? So normally don't we single out y instead of singling out x?
Say it again. Say it again, beta.
Normally don't we single out y instead of singling out x?
See, like you guys have option also to take put y in the ellipses and then send everything to the RHS. Okay, you have that option also. But I recommend that if it is very emergency, then only use that. Why? Because you will guys get confused what to do, what not to do. So I make a simple fund. Put x on the left hand side and put everything on the or everything on the right hand side. Okay, and assume the value of y. Simple as that. Got it, Abraham?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that the confusion won't be there. Otherwise, you guys will say, sir, now what to do, y or x or y. So instead of that, just simply use it. Now I will give a little hard equation. So this is the equation. Now you guys solve it quickly. Nayantara, quickly solve this beta. Abraham, turn on the camera, please. Yes, guys. Yes, Nayantar, any doubt? Yes, you have time. I know.
That's the question, right? 2x minus 3y is equal to 7.
Yeah. Now, many students will do this mistake that they will do it like this. They will write 2x is equals to 7 plus 3. And then they will find it out again. It will be wrong. I'm repeating again. It will be wrong. I told you just x should be there on the left hand side. So it means that the final equation gonna be look like this. 7 plus 3y divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because this 2 is multiplied. When it will go to the other side of the equals to, it will divide.
Okay. But
Are
I
you
did
getting
like,
this?
but
Hmm.
I did like I did I thought like 7 equals to 2x minus 3y.
7 is equals to 2x minus 3y. It is given like that only, no?
First.
Okay. So only x should be there on the left hand side. Rest everything will go to the right hand side. So it is 2x, 2 multiplied by x. So when it will go, it will divide now. Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Guys, are you with me? No.
Yeah, question.
Please.
Uh, Now, if you take 2x is equal to 7 plus 3y,
Hmm.
and once you get what y is equal, what what x is equal, 2x is equal to, can you just divide that number by 2?
Yeah, you can. You can. Okay. So now, who will give me the value? Agatha will give me the first one. Agatha, what value you are taking?
1,5.
No, no. Assume the value of 5 because we have to solve with others also. Yeah. So what you taking?
I took x as 1 and y as 5. No, wait.
Yeah. If
First,
y is 5.
no, wait. I mean x as 5 and y as 1.
So if you will take y as 1, so it will become 7 plus 3 into 1, which is 7 plus 3 is 10. Are you getting this miracle? No. No, you're not getting. So it will become x is equals to 7 plus 3 into 1 upon 2. It will become 7 plus 3 upon 2. It will become 10 upon 10 upon 2, which is 5. Yes. Yes, ask me, Obed, Miracle, please.
So I took the value as, I also took the value as y as 1.
So what you got?
So I got x equals 5.
Yeah, correct. Very good. Now, who has doubt? Miracle has doubt. Please ask me, beta, Miracle.
No, sir, I'm clear.
Clear? Everyone? Now, next value Abraham will give. Yes, Abraham. Quickly tell me.
Easy. So I took y. I took y as 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 7 is
16.
15. Is 16. 16
16.
divided by 2 is 8.
Yeah. So you took y as 3 and you got x as 8. Correct. Now, anybody has any doubt? David, any doubt? No? Okay, Miracle. Next value, please.
Um, y as 2.
So you took y as 2.
Yeah.
So if you will take y as 2, what will you get? X?
7. 18 by 2.
How 18 by 2, beta? So like you took,
So,
it is 7 plus 3y. Just give me a second, beta Abraham.
Yes,
So it is 7 plus 3y divided by 2. So you took y as 2. So
Yeah.
3 2 is 6. Yes?
6.
6 plus 7, 13.
6 plus 13. Yeah.
13
Or
divided by 2.
13 divided by 2 will be 6.
0.5. Proper you have to give.
6.
It is 6 point. Yes, Abraham. What are you saying, beta?
I see what I took. So I took 5 so instead.
Hmm.
Then I got the answer as 11.
You took y as 5.
Yes, sir. Because
Okay, you took y.
there's a pattern, so that will make sure it comes up in a whole number, sir.
It's okay. If it is not coming in the whole number, then also it's okay. No problem. If it is if you want to go in whole number, is also correct. And if you are taking the value of y and if you're not getting the whole number, then also it is correct. There is no problem. Got it? Yes, I got it.
So when we check the test paper,
I check your test paper. It's there in my drive. I will send it to you. Okay. Now, yeah, in that test paper, it was many questions were also wrong. Basically, what happened? I was traveling, and in that travel time, I just took the Chat GPT help, and I asked him to make the paper of this and this. So he did everything double day. Many questions are not factorizable. That also it's
So
so
I
that
never,
test paper.
so that test paper, so I never understood some of the sounds.
Yeah, because the questions were wrong. It's because of ChatGPT. I thought that ChatGPT is very good in making question paper. Disappointed. Maybe because I didn't take subscription, that's why he'll do like that. He'll take
So,
subscription, then only I will make the correct study.
so,
Yeah,
so this proves humans are better than AI.
yeah, yeah. And I am better than ChatGPT. Yeah. So listen, guys. Now we have to mark it. So who will mark it first? Miraculin will mark it. Miraculin, I am enabling you guys. Oh, no. Miraculin, I am enabling you guys. Okay. So please mark it with a red pen. Okay. Second,
Okay.
Obid. Miraculin, you have to mark this one. Okay. Miraculin has to mark this one. Obid, you have to mark this one. And the third one, Nayantara, you have to mark this one. Okay, Abraham can do. Abraham didn't do it, no? Abraham, you can mark this one with a red pen. First is Miraculin, second is Obid, and third is Obid. Quickly mark it, beta.
I can mark it on the board.
Yeah, you can mark it on the board. You have that pencil button. If you will click on that, then you can get the option to mark it.
Okay.
Try to do it, beta. This is done by whom?
Me, sir.
By Miraculin? Yeah, correct. It is correct. Second one is Obid. Third one, who's Nayantara? Where's Nayantara? Yeah, Nayantara is there. Mark the third one. Ah, no, Abraham. Sorry, Abraham. Mark the third one, please.
So I marked it, sir.
It's like microscopic. Can you mark it little bit? Like can you do like what Miraculin did? Little bit spiral type. Little bit big like this. Yeah, correct. And who's left? Obed is left. Obed, where is yours one?
I got phone. I'm not able to mark it.
Why?
I can't
Everyone has
see
the option.
any buttons, so only the whiteboard.
Only the whiteboard is there. I enable everyone. Yeah. Are you following me? No, you are not following me, I guess. Yeah, that is fine. Okay, who will mark then? Nayantara, mark the second one, please. Oh, wow. What is this? Abraham?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Miracle, Nayantara, quickly mark the second one. 8,6. क्या खुशबू आ रही कट्टे की सब्जी की खुशबू आ रही yeah Abraham, where's your Abraham, only small dot. No, it's not. Right, 6 point comma and 2. So it is gonna be look like. Yeah, correct. Now you have to pass a straight line from it. So here is the straight line. So this is the graph. What is the graph? 2x minus 3y is equals to 7. This is it. Got it? Say yes or no. Everyone got it? Yeah. Now I will give you the homework. You guys have to do it on the graph here. I will give 3 questions. Each have 2 equations. Remember this thing. The 2 equations means you have to prepare 3 graphs. And the 2 equations should be on the 1 graph. Are you getting this? Say yes or no.
So 3 questions means I have to prepare 3 graphs. And
3
two
graphs.
equations, and the 3 questions need to be on 1 graph.
Yeah. So 2 equations on 1 graph, then another 2 equations on 1 graph, then another 2 equations on 1 graph. Are you getting this? Say yes or no. So I'm writing this. Quickly write it down.
Yes, sir.
Here are the 3. So this, listen guys, this on 1 graph, this should be on 1 graph, and this should be on 1 graph. You guys have to do. Are you getting this? Yes or no? Agatha? Nayantara? Everyone got this? Okay. So now you guys have 2 minutes break. Come back, we'll start our science class. Agatha, please put a homework. Okay. Come back in 2 minutes quickly. Till then, bye Obed, bye Nayantara.
Bye, bye.
Atomic structural value, blah, blah, blah.
What happened, Nidhi?
Nothing, sir.
Wait, you're joining for science class?
Obed? Max is over.
Hello?
Yes, Obed. Maths is
Math
over.
class is over?
Yes, this is the homework.
1 minute, sir.
So you have to draw this on a 1 graph. These 2 equations in 1 graph, these 2 equations in 1 graph, and these 2 equations in 1 graph.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I disconnected before.
Okay. Okay, guys, now come back. We'll start our science class. Quickly come back. We'll start our science class. Wait now. So yesterday we learned about the structure of atom, and we saw that Rutherford model got rejected because Rutherford just said that electrons revolve around the nucleus. If electrons are moving in the nucleus, if it is revolving around the nucleus, obviously, like everything which is in motion will release the energy. And if it will release the energy, if it will radiate the energy, then energy, there is no energy in that. And obviously, the electrons will fall into the nucleus. Are you getting this? Yes or no? Hmm? Got it? So, now the problem, this problem is solved by the new scientist named as Niels Bohr. Who solved this? Niels Bohr. Okay. So now what Niels Bohr told? What Niels Bohr told to us? Yes?
Can you
Somebody say
change
so. Yes,
my,
sure.
thank you, sir.
What?
So I needed to change it to viewer, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now listen, everyone. So now Niels Bohr. So Rutherford says that the electrons revolve around the nucleus. Niels Bohr did some experiment in that he says that uh, electrons electrons revolve around the nucleus. It is the same thing. What's the difference? The difference is in fixed stationary orbits. You know solar system? In solar system, we have sun and all the planets, Mars, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, all the planets, they revolve around the sun. It is not true that Earth is going towards the sun. Why? Because everyone has their own fixed orbits in which they revolve. Yes? So the same phenomenon is applied here also. He's saying that nucleus is the center of the atom and electrons revolve around the nucleus. But they have their own fixed stationary orbits like this. Are you getting? Did you understand? Okay. So the first postulate he gave that electrons move in a definite circular path of fixed energy around the nucleus center atom. Okay. So like planets revolve around the sun with their own circular orbits. In the same way, the electrons also revolve around the nucleus with their same circular orbits. Everyone got this? Say yes or no. Yes, Agatha. Any doubt? Huh? Okay. So David and Abraham, turn on the camera, please. So they everyone like electrons revolve around the nucleus with their own specified fixed orbits. So for example, the orbits have fixed energy. Okay. So if I will draw the diagram, like this is the nucleus, and nucleus has proton. We have discovered that also. And around this, there is a fixed energy electron. So, for example, if this electron is revolving around this in this orbit, okay, in this orbit. So, obviously, this orbit has fixed energy. And if orbit has fixed energy, the electron which are revolving around this orbit, it won't radiate any energy because the orbit is having the fixed energy. Are you getting this? Like fixed energy, it is supplying to the electrons. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. The electrons will have the fixed energy. They won't fall into the nucleus. Are you getting this? Say yes or no? Abraham.
Sir, could you repeat that?
Yes, Samir.
See, what the first postulate says, that this orbit, this the red mark which I am making, this has fixed energy. Now, if electron is there on it, so obviously the thing is the electron will also have fixed energy. Electron is not losing any energy and it will not fall into the nucleus. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is the first postulate. This is the first postulate. So, Joshua, can you read this first postulate?
Okay, sir. The electrons move in a definite circular path of fixed energy around a central nucleus, just like our solar system, in which different planets revolve around the sun in a definite trajectory. Similar to the planets, only certain circular paths around the nucleus are allowed for the electrons to move. These paths are called orbits or energy levels.
Underline this postulate. They can ask you what are the postulates of the Niels Bohr story atom. So please underline this postulate number 1. And this is a very important, and you have to explain this also. Okay, so these parts are called as orbits. Yes, read this
These
one.
parts are called as orbits or energy levels. The electron moving in the orbit does not radiate. In other words, it does not lose energy. Therefore, these orbits are called stationary orbits or stationary states. The Bohr concept of a stationary state could answer the problem of stability of atom faced by
Yeah,
Rutherford's
so
law.
Rutherford does not able to say na, that it's a stationary states are there. Rutherford was not able to explain that. But Niels Bohr explained this like in very good manners, and everyone accepted. Everyone got this? Say yes or no? So we got the arrangement. The arrangement is nucleus. Nucleus has the protons, positively charged particles, and the neutral charged particle, which is neutron. And electrons are revolving around the protons with their own fixed energy level. Are you getting this? Say yes or no? Hmm? Now, one more thing I have to say right now. Like, for example, this is the nucleus part. Okay. For example, this is the nucleus part. Mhm. And okay. So now this is the nucleus part. Okay. Now, for example, this is the nucleus and it has what? Protons and neutron. That we discover. And this is the first orbit, and the first orbit is called as K shell. What is called? K shell. The second orbit is L shell. The third orbit is M shell. And if I will draw one more orbit, I will draw the one more orbit. This orbit is called as N shell, and go so on, like N O P, like this. The first orbit is called as what? K shell. The second orbit is L shell. The third orbit is M shell, and the fourth orbit is N shell. And because of their size, there is a limitation. Like only this amount of electrons you can fill in each orbit. Okay. And how to get it that in K shell how many electrons will be there, in L shell how many electrons will be there, in M shell how many electrons will be there. So there's a formula. The formula is 2n square. What is the formula? 2n square. What is the value of n? N is the n is basically the first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, like n is like first, second, third, like. So how we will solve this? Listen to like if I will talk about K shell, the formula is 2 into n. Now K is the first shell. K is the first shell. No? So I will write value of n as 1. Are you getting this? Say yes or no? This is what is the formula? The formula is how many electrons you can fill in each orbit. How many electrons you can fill? In the first, like K is the first shell, so the formula is 2n square. Instead of n, I will put 1 because it's the first shell. So it will become 2 into 1 square is 1. So it means that in K shell, how many electrons you can fill? Only 2 electrons you can fill. Are you getting this, Nidhi?
Yes, sir. So you
Okay.
said 2n square, right?
Yeah, this is the formula to find that how many electrons you can fill. Abraham, are you with me? No. So Abraham will tell me the in L shell. In L shell, how many electrons you can fill, Abraham? So like L is the second shell, no? Yes, Abraham.
I think 8.
Yeah, so it will become 2 square. So 2 into 4. So it means that 8 electrons you can fill in L shell. Not more than 8. Not more than 8 you can fill in the L shell. Miracle, can you tell me the M shell? How many electrons you can fill in M shell?
Is it?
What?
Uh,
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. How many electrons you can fill in M shell? So M is third shell.
Yeah.
M is the third one, na? So instead of N, what will you write? Instead of N, what will you write? Three, no? It's a third shell, no? So you will write 3. So it will become 3 square. So
3
2
square.
into 3 square is 9. So it means that 18 electrons you can fill in M shell. In M shell, how many electrons you can fill? In 18 electrons. Joshua, can you tell me the N shell? In N shell, how many?
26.
How? 4 square is 16.
Oh, yeah.
So 2 into 16 is 32 electrons. You can fill 32 electrons. So this is the way.
I had seen M shell and then I got mixed up with the 9.
Yeah. Okay, everyone got it? Agatha, David. So this is the number of electrons you can fill. In K shell, how many electrons you can fill? 2 electrons. So if I will make 2 electrons for you guys, this is the 1 electron and this is the 2 electron. In L shell, how many electrons you can fill? How many electrons? 8 electrons you can fill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 electrons. Are you getting this? Yes or no? And so on. M you can fill 18 and then N. Are you getting this? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Too easy.
Yeah, read this. Who will read? Agatha will. Yes, Agatha.
It was later realized that the concept of circular orbit as proposed by Bohr was not adequate and it was all modified to energy shells with definite energy. While a circular orbit is two-dimensional, a shell is three-dimensional region. The shells of definite energy are represented by letters K, L, M, N, etc. or by positive integers 1, 2, 3, etc. Figure 5.8, the energies of the shell increases with the number n equals 1.
Yeah.
One level is of the lowest energy. Further, the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in each shell is given by 2n squared, where n is the number of the level. Thus, the first shell n equals 1 can have a maximum of 2 electrons, whereas the second shell can have 8 electrons, and so on. Each shell is further divided into various sub-levels called subshells, about which you would study in your higher classes.
Higher classes. Now listen, guys. One more thing you have to listen, guys. The thing is, you can see here. Listen here. Like for example, if there is an electron in cation, like for example, if David got some good food, like chicken lollipop. Okay, if David got chicken lollipop. So how David will behave? Like, oh, thank you for the chicken. It's gonna be look like this. Okay, wow, chicken lollipop, yay! It's gonna be look like this. Second one, no? Obviously, second one, chicken lollipop is like one of the greatest dish. So David gets excited, no, when he got food, when he got energy. Hmm? In the same way, if electron is there in K shell, if he got energy from outside, for example, if he got some energy in the form of heat, in the form of anything, so this electron will also get excited like David. Wow, I'm going to the another energy level, like that. Are you getting this? Huh? So, for example, if he got energy from outside any source, okay, any source like heat, light, anything. So this electron will also get excited, and it will go to the M shell. It will go to the M shell. For example, it can go to any higher orbits, not not only in M shell. It can go in N shell. If we get more energy, it can go to the O shell, PQ shell, any shell. Okay, but now David will have excitement for some time only. Like after chicken, when he will eat chicken, then he will say, "Yeah, now I'm okay. Huh? Now I'm okay. Now no need." Okay? So after getting the chicken, he will get to the normal state. Wow, I ate chicken. In the same way, when like what is the house of the this electron? House of this electron is K shell. Huh? Now he got excited and he go to the M shell, but at that time, he didn't become stable, and he again wants to go to his own house. And when he go to the own house, he radiated the energy. He radiate. He radiate the energy. He radiate the energy, and the radiation can be in the form of color also. In the form of color also, and that shows the different colors. Are you getting this? Are you getting it? What I'm trying to explain it to you? Are you getting it?
No, sir.
That he got excited? He got excited. He was in the K shell. He got excited. He go to the M shell. M shell, when he was there, like if it was unstable for him, then again it came to the K shell. Now he was having extra energy. That extra energy he radiated. He radiated. The extra energy he radiated, and the radiation is in the form of color. That is called as that is basically second phosphor. Are you getting this? This is called as second phosphor. That electron can get energy from the outside, can excite it, can go to the higher orbit level. There it will become unstable. Then it will again come to the original orbit, and it will release the energy in the form of radiation of colors. Simple. Are you getting this? Say yes or no. Now you got it, Nidhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll read. Postulate. Who will read? Abraham will. Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
so my father's leaving, so he's leaving so today somewhere. So can I go and drop him to the car, sir? I'll be back in
Yeah.
15 minutes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh. Yes. Then who will read? Agatha will read. Yes, Agatha.
Postulate 2. Energy can change the electron can change its shell or energy level by absorbing or releasing energy. An electron at a lower state of energy EI can go to a final higher state of energy EF by absorbing a single photon of energy given by E equals HV equals EF minus EY. Similarly, when electron
EF is the final position. EI is the initial position. EF is the final position. EF is the final position. EI is the initial position. क्यों सुला रहे हो अभी? हाँ? क्यों सुला रहे हो? सुला क्यों रहे हो? अभी निकलेंगे ना? कार में? Okay. That is called as change in energy. Like final energy minus initial energy, the change in energy, that how much energy it will give. So I will tell you one story. In 11th class, I was a bio student. So we have a school fair. Okay. Like in the school, we have to do something. So the guest will come and they will see that what we have. So as I'm bio student, okay, so I was in the bio project, which is very, very, very boring. Okay, what they were doing, they were making some city and then putting some grass and everything. That was very boring, and I was totally uninterested in that. Okay, so I was interested in maths, in science, like that. These types of classes, these types of experiments. And all. So in physics, like I was in bio lab, my team was in bio lab, and in physics lab they were doing some experiment. So I was totally interested in that, and I went to the physics lab and I was seeing and I was helping them. Then suddenly my bio ma'am came and says, "Hardik, why are you here? Why are you not in bio project? You have to work in your bio project." I said, "Ma'am, these girls are doing, they are saying, wow, we will put grass here, we will put light here, we will like that." I said, "Ma'am, I can't do that. And like, it is very boring time." So they said, "It's boring. It's boring. Then get out of my project." Bio ma'am, so like, she always frustrated with me with these types of work. So I said, "Okay, ma'am, I will be out." Then in physics, sir, I went. Then sir says, "You are a bio student. You are not able to enter in the physics lab. No, you are also out." So in physics also, I got rejected. In bio also, I got rejected. Then suddenly, chemistry ma'am came. Says, "What are you doing?" I said, "Nothing. Just killing the mosquitoes. Nothing I'm doing. So nothing is there. I'm out of bio project also. I'm out of physics project also." So I said, "Okay, come." So I went with her and then she said, yeah, we will do one rainbow salt. I said, "What is that?" So before this school fair, nobody knows. Okay, they just knows me that I am a simple student. Nobody knows me. So I am a good student. Nobody know my name. Like there's no popularity. Okay. Then in the school fair, so what she told me, because in chemistry lab we have different types of salts. She said that what you have to do, you have to take China ball, you have to put into the shells, like you have to take ethanol, and you have to put in the salts. Like every bowl has different salts, and you have to put into the ethanol into the salts, and you have to burn it, and you have to burn it, and you will find it out that there are different flames are there, different color flames are there, and you have to explain it like this, that when, because I'm a good teacher at that time also, like teacher, my teaching skills was there from my 11th class only. Because my father is teacher, my mother is teacher, my grandfather is teacher, so we have our teaching lines. Okay, so I explain it well, that sir, the electrons will get excited and it will go to the next energy level, and when electrons get like it becomes unstable, it will come to the original level, then we are seeing this color. Then after this experiment, everyone knows my name. Like the popularity, like I become the Shah Rukh Khan of my school. Popularity will increase. I'm saying that Hardik Vashne explained this, Hardik Vashne did that, Hardik Vashne did that. And principal ma'am, and then everyone knows my name. And the next year I became the discipline captain of my school. So that was that experiment like make popular. So that is the experiment which I will show you just now. So just give me a second. Let me arrange the video. So Toy Story 2. I will give credit of this video to him. Otherwise, I will get the strike. So
Epic break.
this is not rainbow experiment.
Start your epic break with KitKat.
Oh, brother, come on. Oh, yeah, now it's.
That this video was made solely for research and demonstrational purposes. Do not attempt to repeat the experiments shown in this video. Hello everyone! Today I will show you one interesting experiment, which is called the fire rainbow. For this experiment, we will need different metal salts that will paint flames in different colors. The first ingredient, one that you can find in our kitchen, is cooking salt. It will paint the flame in yellow color. The next one is lithium chloride, which I pour in the first cup. It will paint the flame in red carmine color. Then I pour strontium chloride. Next substance is boric acid. After is bluestone. Then I pour barium chloride. Next goes lead nitrate. And in the end, potassium chloride. To achieve the best result of transferring the color during combustion, I use methanol as a fuel. I'm pouring a small amount of methanol into each of the cups. Next, I set fire to methanol. Once the flames break out, we get a fire rainbow. Lithium chloride paints flame in such a rich carmine red color. Strontium chloride.
So you guys can see we have different color of flames because different salts are there, different elements are there, different elements have different electrons. So how much energy they take? Like when we are flaming it with the help of ethanol and fire, the electrons are getting excited. Just now I told you, and the electron which got excited and go to the next orbital level, it got unstable. So this is not that good. Okay. So because of instability, it will again come back to their home. And when then again come back to the home orbital, it will release the energy in the form of this color. So you can see this is green color. So it is different wavelength is there. You will read more about this in 11th if you will opt for the science math or science bio. So you will get more clarity on this. So you are getting different color because of the electrons which are coming back to the original state. It is releasing the color. Are you getting this? Everyone got this? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This different color is basically whole the rainbow. Okay. So, okay, then we'll end this. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Sayonara. Did you understand the whole thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Bye, Kaza. Bye, David. Bye, Marilyn. Bye, Abraham. Bye, again.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
Nidhi.
Bye.
Nidhi, you have doubts? You're mute, Nidhi. You're mute, Nidhi.